guys, so I just woke up. Don't worry, I did brush my teeth, but this is the Philip sisters, and if you're new to our channel, hi, welcome. You're welcome. Nothing like you, like I said things, but yeah. Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Adira, and my introduction is about to come now, so you could see it. If you're new to my channel, so yeah, let's just go to the intro. So today we are going to be teaching you how to make thumbnails, because now in my recent videos and in some of my other videos I have been making thumbnails. And yeah, thumbnails are a big part of videos to get you more views. I'm not saying like I'm not trying to make thumbnails for views. I'm just trying to make thumbnails for my videos to look more entertaining. Yeah, shout out to my friend Mariah. I'm going to put her right here. Shout out to her for watching all of my videos. She's the first one that always watches all my videos. Shout out to her. But yeah, now I'm going to be teaching you how to make thumbnails. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I didn't buy a camera, but I'm saving money for it. So yeah, in a few days I'm going to be buying a camera. But yeah, let me always look so much better with the light. Okay. But yeah, now let's just go right into the video with me teaching you how to make thumbnails with phonto. I forgot. Thumbnails with phonto. Yep, and in your iPhone. So if you don't have a computer, then in an iPhone. I do have an iMac. No, a MacBook, but that's my mom's. So yeah. Let's just get right into the video. I said that like 3 times already and I haven't. Yeah, seriously, let's just get right into the video. So my phone is charging, but let me just put the light down because I have to make the camera focus for a while. So I'm just gonna put the AE lock. So I'm just gonna go. And if you guys didn't know, these have been my thumbnails reacting to my old musically okay, focus. Okay, so reacting to my old musicallys, second vlog, morning routine. I have to do those ideas for YouTube videos, 5 facts about me, and yeah, so the rest I'm going to be doing them. And thank you guys so much for 14 subscribers. Like, I know that's not enough. I know that's not a lot. Like, seriously, that's not a lot. But we're almost in 20 subscribers. And yeah, I just hope those 6 subscribers come because we're almost in 20. So right now you just want to go to your home screen and you just want to download phonto. I already did that. Press phonto. This was my recently thumbnail, but I'm just gonna restart it. And yeah. So then yeah. Little camera button, press plain image or whatever from photo albums or something like that. If you do it from photo albums, it's the same thing. But yeah, you just want to press, and if you scroll down, like you have these wallpapers that are unlocked, and you could change the colors. I'm just gonna also these are numbers on top. Okay, let me get comfortable now. These are the numbers 2048 times 2048. You want to change that, so you just want to press this. Okay, then you go custom, and you put 1280. And the other one, the width, is 720. If you don't put these numbers, your thumbnails are going to be looking horrible. So done. Then